Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Take 2. Today in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how you can chat with Indeed Helpline. So I'm gonna be teaching you a very easy step regarding this one. So if you have any problem or any queries, without any further delay, now let's just get started. So firstly, what you're gonna do is you need to go to your Indeed.com website. Once you go over here, just log in with your account, then you'll be over here in this particular platform. So what you can do, you can just go to your profile and then go to Help Center from here. Otherwise, what you can do is all the way down, you'll be having Help Center option over here as well. So you can choose either way. So I'm just gonna go with here as per now. So once you are over here, scroll a bit down and then you choose what do you want, help for job seekers or help for employees, or all the way down you'll be having contact support option also. Let's just go with it. And now you can contact from here as well, you can chat it from here. So if you're an employer, you have a problem with your account and everything, you can chat them from here as well. So that's pretty much, guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe, guys. Thank you for watching.